Welcome back to Fatigue Shield Ops. We are now looking at the Ops console. This is on the tree. It's down in Analytics. This is a real-time crew status board. This gives you the dashboard on the top, gives you the total crew and the status of every crew member. Flying, standby, off-duty, sick or available, 275. This gives you the number of captains, the number of first officers, and the number of cabin crew. You can also search by the base, Mumbai, Bangalore, Madras, and at every base you can see exactly which type you want to see captains. Well, at Madras base you have, at this moment there's only one flying, and no, sorry, there are two flying, two on standby, as you can see here, one in rest, one on sick leave, also one more in rest. And as you can see, the ones that are, as the yellow line, the yellow bar is growing, that means they are now approaching the end or the topmost level of their fatigue score, and they need to be rested. So therefore these have been rested at the moment. And you can also then look at first officers. At Madras base, there's only one first officer who was in reaching a high fatigue score, and that first officer is at rest. And if you look at the crew at the Madras base, it's the same thing. And we go back to Delhi, we can see here the pilots who are now in the air. There are some in rest. And we can also see who are the ones at Mumbai. We've got the ones who are on swap. So those who are available to swap will always pop up with a little swap icon at the bottom. Maybe we'll increase that screen a bit. And as you see here, there's a swap. That means if you get a swap, if operations gets a swap request, they can use this pilot is available for swap. So it's a powerful tool that is very valuable to the operations staff who can make very quick decisions. And if they need to re-roster or plan, they know exactly where and at what status every single member of the crew is.